Okay, let's introducing ourselves.
My name is Anissa Ananda. My name is Anissa Rizkia Suhayani.
My name is Citra Vera Velova.
My name is Fitriani. Today we will tell how to make watermelon is milk. And keep watching. Oh, today is very hot. Oh, I'm sweating.
Yeah, me too. Aha, why don't we make watermelon ice milk?
Yeah, watermelon ice milk. Watermelon, milk, sirup, water, ice, and 2 glass, bowl, and spoon.
The first step is to prepare the bowl. Put enough sweetened conditioned milk and water into a bowl. Add enough to syrup. Finally, add the watermelon that has been cut into first. Then serve it in the glass that has been fight the ice. Finally,
Wow.
wow!
Thank you for
Watching
watching.
guys, bye!